Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard fruit. We will begin by gathering all your fresh ingredients, including a vibrant selection of seasonal fruits. Next, I will guide you through preparing a rich, creamy custard from scratch, ensuring it has the perfect consistency. Finally, we will layer these delicious components together and chill the dessert, creating a refreshing and delightful treat perfect for any occasion. To craft your perfect custard, start by whisking 4 egg yolks with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it just simmers. Slowly temper the warm milk into the egg mixture, then return it to the pan. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens beautifully. For the fruit component, choose a variety of ripe, seasonal options like sweet berries, soft bananas, and juicy mangoes. Always wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool running water to ensure cleanliness. For larger fruits, peel them carefully and then chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This preparation ensures every spoonful of your custard fruit is bursting with fresh, vibrant flavors and appealing textures. Now for the exciting part, assembly. In your chosen serving dish, begin by layering a portion of your prepared fruit, followed by a generous amount of the cooled, creamy custard. Repeat these layers until all ingredients are used, ensuring an even distribution. Cover the dish tightly and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh mint or a sprinkle of toasted nuts before serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.